Hello guys, this is Jamar with Lightspeed Constructions. I'm on the roof today just doing the inspection to see if we need to repair this thing before the year ends or can it wait till next year. And immediately this is what I'm noticing. We have a couple nails here along in this area that was not nailed exactly on the nail strip that is above this shingle. We also have a lot of wind damaged shingles, as you can see here, the creases within it. They're all over this part of the roof, honestly. You can see where the wind has blown the tabs up. Here's another one. Here's another one. And also just the wear on these shingles are extremely old. You can start seeing the fibers in them, losing granules. There's been a couple notable repairs up here on these shingles, probably because of the wind damage that they're having. See here, and they try to seal it here. Here's another shingle here, same thing. I don't know if you guys can see this, but down in this gutter, there's a whole bunch of granules down in there. So that goes to show me that these shingles are extremely old. See here. See, there's no effort at all in pulling these up because of a lot of wind damage there across here in this area. Oh, another thing, it's a lot of heat blistering going on this roof. And it's also depleting the rest of the life that this roof has. For you guys that don't know what heat blisters is, it's basically where the shingle heats up, caused by a lot of it could be from the venting system that's on this home or just the shingles itself heating up over time. But these little specks here, which is all over this roof, is heat blisters, and that's just a bubble forming within the tar in the granules that they use to make shingles, and it says exploding. This whole roof is like that, which also decreases the chance of life of what this roof will have. So also, if you can notice, this fiberglass here, nails are exposed. This one here is definitely leaking. This ridge cap is pretty old. There's plenty of nails and screws in this that have not been covered in a while. So I know that is an issue. Just based off my judgment in itself, I would definitely consider replacing this roof this year. You notice within these valleys, you can tell that they're holding water underneath here. It's still wet. I should not be able to pull that up like that. There's a couple of splits here in the shingles. It's probably definitely an issue. Same thing here on this ridge cap. Just exposed nails. Right here is an exposed screw that wasn't caught and did properly. It's leaking definitely. So just based off my judgment and seeing everything that I'm seeing now, I would definitely replace it this year.